I hit this issue to date and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to cancel your Apple Music subscription, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Apple Music app. Launch the Apple Music app on your device. This is where you'll manage your subscription settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile picture or the Free tab at the bottom. Then select Account Settings to access your subscription details. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. In the Account Settings menu, find and tap on Subscriptions. This will show you all your active subscriptions, including Apple Music. Step 4. Choose Apple Music. Locate Apple Music in the list of subscriptions and tap on it. Here, you can see the details of your current plan. Step 5. Cancel Subscription. Tap on Cancel Subscription at the bottom of the screen. Confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the cancellation. Remember, if you cancel, you will still have access until the end of your billing cycle. If you accidentally tap the wrong button, just go back to the subscriptions menu to correct it. I hope this helps you manage your Apple Music subscription easily.